All right, welcome back to round two. Today I'm going to show you the drill press table. This is the drill press I have. It's a Jet and JDP 14J. I wound up getting this off Facebook Marketplace. $150 deal. It works pretty good. I replaced my old one, which was a Craftsman. Had that for over 10 years. Well, this makes a nice upgrade. Got a light. I made this table for it, a little mahogany and this Photochromic. I don't know what it's called. A little surface. Everything slides nicely on it. Adjustable fence with dust collection. It works okay, but this port, I think it could be improved upon. But it was the only thing I could find online. All I did was screw it down. I know I should probably use bolts, but I didn't have any on hand. Anyways, this is the table I made. Very similar to my workbench. It's out of that Medex material, which is that kind of moisture resistant MDF. I didn't finish it on the inside, but oh well. This holds all my spackle stuff, and I guess there's a little bit of grout. Thin set. More spackle stuff in that container. Not what I was planning on putting in there, but once again, it'll do. I don't have these drawers filled up too much, but I got some Forstner bits, some extra ones, little sanding spindle, soft close. Same deal, nothing much in there. Just got a 1/2-inch pre-finished plywood. Actually, no, I got it's Russian birch. Forgot what I made them out of. More hole saws in there. Got some more Forstner bits. Bunch of random little screw kits. So, good drawers, but this again closes nicely. This thing moves around fairly easily. So, good little setup. I think I even finished the back on this one. Yep. My little chipmunk friend. And that's it. Well, thanks for watching. I want to keep the videos going, so they're pretty much going to be random. Yeah. All right. See you later.